Yeah, I'm out here out in the snow, and it's an amazing place to come out, photograph, and just enjoy nature, sit peacefully in nature, and to find a rabbit that has been placed on a log for baiting owls in the area is just such a shame and a crime. These sort of things shouldn't happen. The person that did this should be ashamed of himself for doing this. And that's all I have to say as a photographer and nature lover. It's just really too bad. If you look closely at the end of the rod, someone has placed a rabbit. It has partially been eaten on top also. So I'm just going to get a little closer look on it. Just what a shame, it is for people to do this, to bait owls and birds of prey out here in the marshes.